subscribe!
Introducing Eddy the Clever Fox, the smartest little fox in Pororo Village. If you ever have a problem you can't solve on your own, if you ever have a question and you don't know what to do, just turn to Clever Eddy and he'll help you through.
Hello, I'm Eddy the Clever Fox.
Eddy, 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 the clever fox. He's the smartest fox that you'll ever meet. Clever, clever Eddy is our friend. He's the greatest friend that you'll ever have. Eddy, Eddy, the clever fox.
How much do I put in?
Pororo is on his way to Loopy's house.
Hi, Loopy. Hello, Pororo. What are you doing? I'm making some food to eat with our friends. Really? Do you need any help? Actually, I do. Thanks for asking. What do you need me to do? I'm going to make the salad so you can make the bread. Sounds fun! Now, to make the dough, I need to put in flour. But how much do I put in? Loopy, how much flour do I need to use? Since we have lots of friends, you'll need to use a lot. Now next, I'll need some water and some sugar. Hey, Loopy, how much water and sugar do I use? Use just enough water, and you don't want it too sweet, so just a little sugar. Aha! Okie dokie. I did what Loopy said, so it'll be good. Wow! It looks yummy! Hope you enjoy it! Thanks!
Wow, it's good.
So good! Loopy's the one who made the salad. Yummy as usual!
I want to try the bread.
Me too! Dig in! I made the bread. What's wrong? Is it bad?
It's too sweet.
Yeah. And it's limp and mushy.
It is.
What? Impossible! I just followed Loopy's directions. Did you give me the wrong recipe? How dare you! Pororo, are you sure you followed my directions correctly?
Hold on, you guys. Loopy, what were your directions to Pororo for the bread?
Use a lot of flour, just enough water, and just a little bit of sugar. That's right. And I put in exactly what Loopy told me to.
I think I know why the bread tasted so bad. Problem! If there's a problem, we'll solve it. If you use your head, there's no problem you can't solve.
That's right!
I'm the smartest fox around. My name is
Eddy!
Okay, when you're describing amounts, words like little and a lot don't really give you a clear picture of the exact amount you need.
Then what do we do, Eddy?
For uncountable things like sugar, you need to use tools like a spoon so you can count the exact amount.
A spoon?
Here's some sugar. Here's a spoon. Now, let's take out some sugar with the spoon. 1 spoon. This is 1 spoonful. 1 spoon. 2 spoons. This is 2 spoonfuls. If you say how many spoonfuls it is, then you can give the exact amount.
Oh, that's so easy. The bread needs 1 spoonful of sugar. I think I put in about 3 spoonfuls. I have a question. To make the dough, you need a lot of water and flour. So we use a tiny spoon for those too? Loopy, how much water do I need? 10 spoonfuls. 10 spoonfuls? Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that? Whoa, that's tiring. Yeah, it is.
things like water, when you need a large amount, you can use tools that are bigger than a spoon. Like this cup, for example. You use the cup just like the spoon. Let's take out some flour with the cup. 1 cup. This is 1 cupful. 1 cup. 2 cups. This is 2 cupfuls.
Oh, it's so easy.
Yeah. You want to review what we learned with a song?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. For all things uncountable, you can use a tool to help. Use a cup for flour. Use a spoon for sugar. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups. 1 spoonful, 2 spoonfuls.
For all things uncountable can be made countable. For amounts that are unclear can be made very clear.
Bye, friends. See you next time.
Find the same objects.
Pororo's friends have gathered at his home. Let's see what they're up to. Oh, Pororo is reading a book.
Finally reunited with his mommy and daddy penguin. The mommy and daddy penguin gave the baby penguin a big hug.
Pororo, crawl. Pororo.
Come on in.
Welcome, Eddy.
Wow.
Hello.
You're all here. Were you reading a book?
That's right.
I've also brought a book along.
Wow, that was fun. Read it to us.
Yeah.
I think Kobe should read the book. Here.
Oh, let's see. Bob Bear. Bob was bored of playing by himself. So he called his friend Levy.
Hello.
Hello, Levy. It's Bob. Can I come over to your place?
Of course.
So, where is your house?
My house is the yellow one above your house.
Huh? The yellow house above my house?
Then, which house is it?
Don't you know the answer? How about everyone else?
I don't know either.
No one knows the answer. Then I'll tell you. Problem! If there's a problem, we'll solve it. If you use your head, there's no problem you can't solve.
That's right.
I'm the smartest fox around. My name is
Eddy.
First, let's find all the yellow houses in the book. How many yellow houses are there in all?
One, two,
One.
Oh, there are 4 houses.
4 houses? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 houses. You're right. Ta-da! It's the yellow house above Bob's house. Oh, it's this one. I see. Levy?
Yes? Come on in, Bob.
Thank you, Eddy. You're welcome. Kobe, could you please keep reading?
Oh, okay. Bob went over to Levy's place. There were many of Bob's favorite toys there.
Wow, there are lots of teddy bears here. They're my favorite.
Would you like to play with the teddy bears? There are lots of teddy bears here. Do you know how many there are in all?
There are 1, 2. Oh, I don't know. We'll help you, Bob. Can you tell us how many teddy bears there are?
1, 2.
Oh, there are 5 teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 teddies.
Correct. There are 5 teddy bears in all. I see. Thank you. Don't mention it. Then how many stuffed rabbits are there?
1, 2.
I know. There are 6 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 stuffed rabbits.
6? You're right. Finally, how many stuffed elephants are there in all?
1, 2,
I know. There are 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elephants in all.
That is correct. Now let's sing a song about today's lesson.
Look at all these pretty little dolls. How many Pororos can you find? 1, 2, 3. 3 in all. Look at all this tasty fruit. How many bananas can you find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in all.
Look at all these colorful balloons.